Hi, I'm Michael McCarthy and welcome to the week ahead. And we start the trading week this week on a very positive note, and the reason's very straightforward. On Friday night, the US Senate passed their $1.9 trillion stimulus package, and the importance of that package to the COVID-ravaged US economy can't be stressed too much. The market reaction was very positive, with good gains for all three of the major US indices and positive moves in industrial commodities as well. And that enthusiasm for growth is flowing into the market this morning. Now, that comes despite the fact that on Friday night in the US, we saw some very strong non-farm payroll data, and over the weekend we saw very strong Chinese trade data. And this good news on economies is actually bad news for markets because of the potential impact it has on interest rates. We'll hear more about this issue when the European Central Bank meets on Thursday night to make an interest rate decision. And while there's almost zero expectations that there'll be a change in interest rates, there is a lot of speculation that the ECB could increase its bond purchase program. It said 2 weeks ago that they would keep a steady hand on the tiller despite fears about inflation. And a lot of people have interpreted that as potential expansion of that bond purchase program. Now, we could see weakness in the euro in the lead up to that decision as traders potentially position themselves ahead of the decision. Whichever way it breaks, it'll be very important for euro US dollar. And the chart that I'm looking at this week is Bitcoin. We've seen enormous volatility in the cryptocurrencies, and there's an expectation that that will continue this week. Now, on the downside, one of the key levels is that low from last week, around 44,000 US dollars. If we see a breach of that level, it could be very bad news for Bitcoin enthusiasts. But we are trading above 50,000 US at the moment and threatening the high of last week around that 52,600 level. If we see a break up through that point, we could see a new all-time high for Bitcoin above the previous high at 57,600. Log in to CMC's Next Generation platform and check out the Bitcoin chart.